The UK Rail Research and Innovation Network is a unique collaboration that gives the rail industry invaluable access to leading universities to support research, development and innovation. The network includes Loughborough University, the Universities of Nottingham, Sheffield and Southampton, and Heriot-Watt University in Edinburgh, and provides regional and national facilities and expertise right across the UK. And I'm here at the University of Southampton, which leads the Centre of Excellence in Infrastructure.
Tracy Navai is looking for solutions to one of the rail industry's biggest challenges: how to make the network carbon neutral by 2050.
I'm looking into the embodied carbon in geotechnical solutions, which are cuttings and embankments of the railway. I'm looking at footprinting those and then trying to see how we can offset the carbon. So I've got access to the whole team here. You're using virgin ballast, or is this some recycled ballast that you've got from the field? There are lots of other PhD students who are working with Network Rail on various projects, on bridges, on ballast, on track. All these people who've got all this knowledge, and I'm trying to tap into that to try and find the best solution and the best way forward for Network Rail.
As well as a geomechanics laboratory and a separate testing and structures lab, the Centre of Excellence at Southampton also has a large structures testing hall, where, with its strong floor, different types of railway track beds can be tested. There's a geotechnical centrifuge facility, which spins to accelerations of up to 130 times the Earth's gravity, to allow for accelerated scale modelling of geosystems, and a high voltage lab that supports research into rail electrification. And work on a variety of projects is being carried out in the field and on the network itself.
The industry faces two main challenges just at the moment. One of them is looking at why we're continuing to get failures of earthworks, that's embankments and cuttings, as a result possibly of climate change, more extreme climatic conditions. Possibly it's just the effect of many years of cycling of the conditions that they're under as a result of the seasonal variation that we see. So that's being taken forward by a consortium of universities in a project known as Achilles. And the second major area is decarbonisation of electrification, which also makes it more affordable. And that covers everything from looking at shorter foundations for the piles, clever electrical engineering, and the interface between the pantograph and the infrastructure as the vehicle goes along.
And the UK Rail Research and Innovation Network, or UKRRIN as it's known, is a resource that industry partners can tap into to develop ideas, accelerate innovation, and advance world-class products.
So at Southampton, we tend to concentrate on linear infrastructure and to a large extent on earthworks. Heriot-Watt have got some facilities which complement ours on a regional basis. Sheffield, as you might expect, has a particular emphasis on the rails and that kind of technologies. Loughborough looks at switches and crossings, but they're also part of the Achilles project. And then Nottingham have a particular focus on asset management.
And they're helping us with a real deep understanding of issues in a number of areas.
Network Rail sponsors some of the PhD students in their research projects, and the structure of UKRRIN provides a real benefit for the company's environmental sustainability strategy.
It provides us with an organisation that we can talk to and build a relationship with. Working with many, many different universities individually would be hard for an organisation like Network Rail. But the way that the universities have come together in a coordinated and organised fashion, playing to the strengths of each individual institution, so that different universities specialise in different areas. But for us, UKRRIN is very much a one-stop shop. That organisation structure has been really, really helpful for Network Rail.
And Tracy is proud to be part of this next generation of technical leaders.
I feel very privileged to be a part of this research group and to be able to make my contribution. It's exciting, it's invigorating. I'm very passionate about the environment, and this is a way to bring my engineering skills and my passions for the environment together. You know, we've only got one planet, we all need to reduce our carbon. We all need to offset it. We all need to be working together and finding solutions.